This is the story of Aarav. And if you're a parent listening today, I promise this story can change the way you raise your child forever. Let's begin. Aarav was clever, funny, fast, full of energy. But something was missing. He never said please, never said thank you. And the word sorry? Not in his dictionary. In school, he pushed a classmate during lunch. The child fell. Everyone looked at Aarav. He just shrugged and walked away. Teachers were tired. His father shouted. Grandma prayed. But Aarav didn't change. That night, his mother sat beside him on the bed. No anger. No lecture. She just said softly, Aarav, want to play a game before bed? He looked up. What game? She smiled. It's called the magic mirror. But this mirror doesn't show your face. It only shows how kind your words were today. And it speaks in English. Aarav frowned. But I don't know English that well. She handed him a notebook. On the first page, 3 simple lines were written. Today I helped. I said, he or she felt. She said, you don't need to be perfect. Just be honest. Aarav stared at the notebook. Then slowly said, today, I helped no one. I said nothing. He felt sad. His mother hugged him. That's okay. The mirror never lies. But tomorrow is a new day. Parents, if you're listening, write these 3 lines in your notebook now. Today I helped. I said, he or she felt. Do this with your child every night. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can listen to more stories like this one every week. The next day, something small happened. Aarav dropped his tiffin box in class. Another child picked it up for him. He paused, then said, thank you. Later, he saw a girl struggling to open the classroom door. He held it and said, you can go first. Please. That night, he smiled while writing. Today I helped my friend. I said, please. He felt happy. And for the first time, his mother saw a different light in his eyes. You see, Aarav didn't change because of punishment. He changed because of reflection. He started seeing his own behavior. And he began to enjoy using simple, kind English. Parents, here are 5 more sentences you can add to your own mirror notebook. Use one each day. Today I shared. I waited when. I said thank you to. I listened to. I helped by saying. Pause the podcast and write them down. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel. These stories can help you every single week. Now, back to Aarav. 2 months later, the school announced a new award. It was called the Kind Heart Badge for the student who used good manners and kind English in school. Everyone thought it would go to another student. But the principal smiled and said, this award goes to Aarav. The room went silent. Aarav walked up. His hands were shaking. He looked at the crowd, then at his mother, sitting in the back row. He took the mic and said, today, I feel proud. I learned to say please, sorry, and thank you. But more than that, I learned to care. Applause filled the room. Before we end, here's one more activity you can try at home. It's called the manners jar. Take an empty jar. Every time your child says sorry, helps someone, or uses kind words in English, drop in a coin or a star. At the end of the week, open the jar and read out the good things your child did. Don't focus on rewards, focus on memories. Because good behavior is not a rule. It's a rhythm. And kindness is a habit we build together. So, what did we learn from Aarav? That children don't grow by force. They grow through love, reflection, and a little creativity. If this story touched your heart, please subscribe to this channel. I create stories like this every week. Real stories, real solutions for real parents. Let's raise children who not only speak English well, but who speak with love. This is Jeevan Verma. Until next time, speak with care and teach through stories.